Hello Jason, hello Danny. This is a quick video to show you what the equipment hire module is looking like at the moment. So if I open up the screen, you can see that it looks a bit like the BinWatch screen. It's got a calendar and a list of jobs and shows you more information about those jobs. In this, unlike BinWatch, it's got these two tabs. The job tab shows you all the jobs that you have for the day, and the equipment tab shows you all your equipment that you own and where it is on that day. So for example, this 20-ton excavator is out with this customer at this address. This excavator is at this address, but it's off hire, so it's available for use that day. To set up all your types of equipment and the equipment that you own, in the maintenance you can set up all the types of equipment. You can set up the subtypes, so you might have 10, 15, 20-ton excavators. You can set up all the pieces of equipment that you own. So for example, this 20-ton excavator, it's got a plant number and makes and models and all that information that goes along with the equipment. And we keep a history of the date of when it's next due for rego and when you bought it, and if you have sold that equipment. We also keep a list of attachments that you use and subcontractors. If we have a look at one of those, we keep details like his preferred score and where he's based. So as I add to this module, we'll use those fields to define which contractors are available in what areas. And in here as well, we also define what types of equipment they have. And then we have operators, which is just like our employees. So once that information is in there, we can do things like new orders. We can pick a customer and all of the normal contact details, what day they want the hire from, the floatage, and what type of equipment they want, and all the normal things like their address. When that information is in there, it will get added to the job list. When it's in there, you can right click on it, and probably the most common thing you'll do is add a job docket. In there you can add a docket number. You can say how many hours it was used for. You can say the plant number that was used on for this job, and how many hours you might have used each type of attachment. Once that's in, we're going to know then that for this job we used this particular piece of equipment. So both these screens will be updated once you've filled in that job docket detail. So that's the basics of it at the moment. I think the best bit is having these two screens that you can see all your jobs, and for the same day you can also see where all your equipment is.